Feeling under the weather? Or just looking for natural ways to boost your health at home? Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful home remedies that you can make in minutes, using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. These natural solutions are easy, affordable, and they actually work. Let's dive in. First up, ginger honey tea. This is your go-to for sore throats, colds, and congestion. Just peel and slice 1 inch of fresh ginger, steep it in 1 cup of hot water for 5-10 minutes, and stir in 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Add a squeeze of lemon if you like. Ginger reduces inflammation while honey soothes the throat and has natural antibacterial properties. Next we have turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This soothing drink is perfect before bed and helps reduce inflammation, joint pain, and even insomnia. Heat 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, gently, then stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and optional cinnamon or honey. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory, and black pepper helps your body absorb it better. Third is a powerful immunity booster, garlic and honey. Sounds intense, but it works like magic, especially when you feel a cold coming on. Crush 1-2 garlic cloves and let them sit for 10 minutes. Then mix with a spoonful of raw honey. Take it like a natural shot, once per day. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for fighting bacteria and viruses. Need a quick refresh? Try cucumber eye pads, perfect for tired eyes, puffiness, and dark circles. Just slice a chilled cucumber and place 1 slice over each eye for 10-15 minutes. The cooling effect reduces swelling while antioxidants in cucumber nourish the skin. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar tonic. This classic remedy can support digestion, boost metabolism, and stabilize blood sugar. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water. Optional, add 1 teaspoon of honey or lemon. Be sure to use raw, unfiltered ACV with the mother for maximum benefits. And there you have it. 5 simple natural remedies that you can whip up at home using everyday ingredients. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips you can actually use. Download our free natural remedies guide, link below.